How to use shredded paper for mulch. Skip the expensive mulch at the home improvement store. Newspaper is readily available, breaks down and provides all the same benefits as other mulch. You'll save money while discouraging weed growth, insulating the soil and retaining moisture for your plants. Use regular newsprint, which typically has soy-based ink that is safe in the garden. Skip the slick newspapers, which can have heavy metals that are dangerous for the garden. Get shredding and reduce your waste output with paper mulch. Things you'll need: spade, rake, newspaper, paper shredder optional, bag, compost. Dig up any existing weeds with a sharp spade. Dig the entire root of the weed so they don't grow back under the paper mulch. Throw away the weeds and roots. Loosen the soil where the mulch will go with a rake. Level the soil to create a flat base for the shredded paper. Shred the newspaper into small pieces. Use a paper shredder, or rip or cut the newspaper into thin, small pieces. Put the shredded paper in a bag so it doesn't blow around when you take it outside. Apply the shredded paper over the soil in a layer about 2 to 3 inches thick. Spread the paper evenly over the area. Cover the shredded paper with a 1-inch layer of compost. The compost keeps the shredded paper in place and adds nutrients to the soil. Tips: warnings. Check with recycling centers, businesses or newspaper printers to see if you can get already shredded newspaper in bulk. Apply shredded paper mulch on a wind-free day. Even a slight breeze will cause the paper to scatter across the yard. Shredded paper mulch breaks down over the course of the growing season. You'll need more mulch each year if you use shredded paper. Do not use shredded paper mulch near your home or other structures if you live in an area susceptible to wildfires. The paper is flammable and puts your home at greater risk during a wildfire.